These lights are sponsored by Virgin Media. Nickelodeon land. To your right, you have Blackpool Pleasure Beach. To your left, Sandcastle Water Park. Shortly be arriving at the best lights of Blackpool Illumination, which are of course the Sooty show lights, with Sooty and Sweep and Sue. Sadly, no little cousin Scampy, but alas, it's still the best lights here because Sweep. Because Sweep is life. Sweep is my hero. Now get into standard Blackpool Illuminations traffic, where we slow down, which means we'll go through the Sooty lights slowly, which is good times. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on here? Oh, it's a Cinderella carriage. We are. It's the Sooty lights. Here's Sooty. It's a yellow magical bear, if you didn't know. And here, coming up now, as I'm sure you can see, is my hero, sweep. As we will now overtake this carriage at speed. Not at speed, at the speed limit. So there's a speed camera here. And that's Sue. She's a panda. She's not very nice to sweep. So, boo Sue. Well, there you go. That is by far the best lights of Blackpool Illuminations, just because of sweep. Right here, we're at the UFO lights, which, this UFO section's been here, gotta be 30 years, in varying capacities. I remember the UFO section when I was a kid. Tower of Blackpool, otherwise known as Blackpool Tower. Over the tram lines. Beaver Brooks. Your family jewellers since 1919, apparently. Looks like the scooter club's out in force today. Don't know why. Beep, beep, beep. And on your right we have the soon to be not in Merlin's hands Madame Tussauds Blackpool. I don't know what's actually going to happen with that because they own the brand Madame Tussauds, but we shall see. But shortly after that is the Sea Life Centre. Good Sea Life Centre, that. Big fan, big fan. And after that is Coral Island, which is by far the best arcade in Blackpool. It has a monorail in it, a piratey one, obviously, and a piratey ghost train of POVs I have on my channel. Check out the link above or the description for links to those. So we've now passed Madame Tussauds. We're now passing the Sea Life Centre. And there's Coral Island. By far best arcade in Blackpool. Bar none. Huge fan of Coral Island, always have been. Highly recommend you go there if you're in Blackpool, and they can have that commentary for free because they're that good. As we now go to the left, we have the comedy carpet, and it's where they do the World Fireworks Championships at this time of year, every few weekends or on select weekends. And literally to our right, as you can see, is Blackpool Tower. Sorry, the Blackpool Tower. It's not just any tower, it's the Blackpool Tower. And the Blackpool Tower dungeons are there as well, but I'm going to assume they'll probably close if Blackpool are taking over control, unless they like run it on behalf of, I don't know. Who knows? Hey ho. So we continue down the world famous Blackpool Illuminations Golden Mile. The North Pier, the northest of all the piers in Blackpool, and that's the main bulk of the illuminations done. So if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons, leave us a comment, as we're going to tackle this last tiny little bit of illuminations. As As you can see, there's a lot less here now. There's a bar there called the Bee's Knees. Interesting name. Oh no, there is some more down here. Bonus illuminations, if you will. We're just gonna keep on going. Oh, there you go. These signs say Blackpool Illuminations. I don't remember it ever going this far. Shows what I remember. What I remember. Damn. Maybe it did always go this far. It has been about 15 years since I've done this, so. Damn! There's loads more down here. It's probably going to become a critique about my driving at this rate. The angels, they always had angels, devils and angels, but I'm pretty sure they were lights that were advertised in a strip club back in the day. Back in there, Illuminations advertised strip clubs. Okay, this is all very religious now. That one says, I am the resurrection and the life. The life. I believe this will be the end because it's advertised. It's sponsored by Virgin Media again. Oh God, I forgot. No, I'm wrong. I forgot about all these side ones as well. We got over here. Oh, a nice big Coral Island one. Haha, big sweep one. Yes, love it. Sooty sweep. Richard, Sue. Oh, mate, these are old school on the side. I don't know how well you can see them. I think this is maybe some of the old illuminations that have been repurposed. Like there's some Daleks, TARDIS. Pretty sure I saw that TARDIS on a flatbed yesterday. To be honest, I'm thoroughly enjoying this. Ah, Basil Brush one, boom boom. Something with big eyes. Damn. decided to do this. It's definitely longer than a mile. Oh my god, there's a noddy one. Noddy and big ears. Oh god damn. I sort of want to walk down and look at all of them, but I can't. Oh, I remember that mummy one. That mummy one's been there for years. Well, and there we have it. That's the end of Blackpool Illuminations for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, give us a comment, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.